Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is GHkins. So on this video I'm going to make a crochet wig using the YOYO Kalon by Jeanette collection. So this is the packaging of the hair. I got the hair from Sun's Beauty like usual. I bought 5 packs of hair because it says each pack comes in 20 pieces, so I wasn't sure I'm gonna need, so I just bought 5 just to be safe. So yeah, this is the packaging, and it actually comes in 3 different sizes. I got the grande, which is in 20 inches, and the color that I got is the whatever it says there, 1B/27. That's a lot. So this is it. That's the color I got. Alright guys, so let's start making this wig. So first I'm going to place the wig cap on the mannequin's head. So I just finished using the 3rd pack of the hair, and this is how the wig is looking like so far. So I just want to show you guys the technique that I've been using so far. So what I do is to, okay, let me bring the mannequin's head forward a little bit. Let me start from here. What I do is to instead of crocheting the hair like this, like so, instead of doing this, what I do instead is to actually follow this dot in between each square. So I go like this. Did you guys see that? I go like that, then I crochet the hair right there, then I space out the hair. Okay, it makes it look easier, and I think that way you can actually reuse your wig cap. Okay, so let me show you guys a couple. So let's start from here since I'm there. So I will just go in like that, and since I'm in the front, I like to not space out the hair as much as I did for the back. So I will just go right there where the knot is, and that's where I'm going to put my crochet hair, and then I'll just loop it through. It makes it easier to install this crochet hair. Like so. And see this. So I'm basically going to follow the little dots and just crochet the hair like that. I'm just going to try to make the knot big so it covers the space between the other knot, so it doesn't show as much. So I'm just gonna create a very big knot like so. Yep, so it covers, see, so you don't really see space between the first one and the second one. So this is how the hair looks like. And in total I use 5 packs. The part is very big honestly, but if I leave the hair, you know, if I leave the hair and I let the hair do its thing, it actually looks smaller. So that's good. Let me show you guys the back. This is the back of the wig. It looks nice. So you don't really need to do anything to this hair. I really do like the hair. I think using 5 packs was just the best, I guess. I think if I used 4 packs, it would be a little bit smaller, and y'all know I love big hair. So this is awesome. It fits great. It fits nice. Let me see if I can actually wear this as a middle part. I know the hair is meant to be worn as a side part, but let's just see. It actually, oh, okay, so you can actually wear it as a middle part. Interesting. Let me just cut off the little lace in the front. Let me hold the hair like this and just cut the lace. Okay, all right. I think I had to cut it, right guys? I think now it seems more realistic because it was like extra lace. So this is how the middle part looks like if I was to wear it in the middle part. I do like it as well. It's also cute. Let me see if I was to wear this as a bang. I just grab some of the hair to the front and it looks like so as a bang. It looks very nice as well. And yeah, okay, so far I don't really have a favorite. I think I do like all the ways that you can wear the hair, so I can just get, you know, wear the hair and just leave the house. It doesn't really matter how it looks like. But all the same, let me know which parts you guys like the most. And yeah, let me know which parts you guys like the most. And thank you for watching this video. I love you all and God loves you more. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.